The moment is now to protect our planet.
Rollins can work to address the world's pressing climate issues, but we must increase our efforts drastically to lead to a brighter tomorrow that works for everyone.
To ramp up our commitment towards climate action, we are conducting waste audits this month. Waste audits are an opportunity to sort through, organize, and analyze the collected garbage on campus. Students from all over campus have volunteered their time.
These waste audits are a first important step to identify areas of improvement and collect data to make thoughtful decisions. Afterwards, Rollins will design and implement a plan towards a zero-waste campus.
Let's take a look to see what our campus is throwing out. We've got styrofoam, grocery and garbage bags, plastic and film, donatable items, non-recyclable paper, non-recyclable metal, and a bunch of other stuff.
Turns out that we are creating a lot of waste and we need to figure out steps to avoid that.
A lot of the things I saw were things that could indeed be reusable materials. There were a lot of paper cups and plastic utensils.
There's so many things that we could compost or recycle on our own that's not happening.
As you can see, we definitely need to work together quickly to have a better waste management process that decreases the amount of waste to save space in landfills and conserve natural resources. Here we are at the Social Impact Hub, where students who participated in the waste auditing teams are engaging in an innovation session focused on reducing waste.
My group took a specific interest towards food waste, and we decided to work on how to implement better food portions to eliminate food waste. And we came up with a prototype of sampling in the dining hall on campus so maybe people don't take as much food that they don't like and waste it. And so that's one of the ways that we thought maybe we can eliminate food waste.
One way to decrease waste at Rollins is to compost. Composting is nature's ultimate recycling system. The end result is a dark, nutrient-rich material that can be used to enrich soil. This leads to less chemical fertilizers and higher crop yields.
Composting also helps because it greatly lowers our carbon footprint. When you compost, you're replicating one of nature's most beneficial processes to make our environment thrive. We found from our waste audits that over half of the waste collected from the campus center could have instead been composted.
Let's close the food cycle together. The campus center is dedicated to composting. It is important to have everything separated in its proper containers. You can put anything that you can eat in composting buckets, including fruits and veggies, meats and bones, seafood and shells, dairy, bread and grains, processed foods, nuts and nutshells, soups and sauces, oils and fats, eggs and eggshells. You can also put certain non-food items in the composting bin that are organic, including napkins and paper towels, tea bags and coffee filters, grass and leaves.
Things like silverware, glass, plastics, and metals, biodegradable plastics, wipes, and fruit stickers are not compostable and should be put in the appropriate bins for reuse, recycling, or disposal. If you're not sure which bin to dispose of your waste, please ask the nearest dining services staff member or the sustainability program.
We thank you for your passion to make Rollins College more sustainable.
Fiat Lux!